We are going to look at how to use a website that has a binomial distribution calculator on it to make these calculations, the probability of having 6 people with side effects, and this one, the probability of having 3 people with side effects, much easier to do. So on this screen, you want to click on this online binomial calculator. That was in our lecture presentation. That is the calculator that we are going to use. So I'm going to click on that. And this brings us to the calculator page. And if you look up here at the directions, it says use the binomial calculator to compute individual and cumulative binomial probabilities. It says enter a value in each of the first 3 boxes, then click on calculate. The calculator will compute binomial and cumulative probabilities. We're just going to look at the binomial probabilities, which is the first box underneath the 3 boxes you have to fill in. So the first box is the probability of success on a single trial, and for this one it was 0.35. The number of trials, well, it was 8, and the number of successes, it was 6, the probability of having 6 people with side effects out of the 8 possible people. And we click on compute, and we get 0.0217. And that was the same answer we got here. So we're part E, and this time is the probability of 3 out of the 8 patients experiencing side effects, and that time we got 0.2786. So let's see what we get. So our probability P stayed the same, our number of trials stayed the same. This time we were looking for the probability of 3 patients, so I'm going to change that to 3, and I'm going to click on calculate it again, and 0.278, and the 5 would round up to 6, so 0.2786, the same value that we got when we did that calculation. So you can see that the binomial calculator is a very quick way to do this somewhat messy calculation. Again, you just had to put the probability into the first box, and n into the second box, and then the value that you're trying to find into the third box. So the one we just did was the probability of 3 patients suffering side effects. And the fourth box then gives you your answer after you press on calculate.